We are still discussing naming of inorganic compounds. On the board, we have a list of compounds that we are required to name. So how do we name it? This one is NO2. Remember I told you that the sum of the oxidation number in a compound must be equal to 0. So this guy will give you what's the oxidation number of hydrogen. So that nitrogen. So nitrogen is supposed to be nitrogen what? So it's the oxygen that we're interested in now. So we have nitrogen plus oxygen is what? -2. We have -2 here. That is the oxidation number. So we have -2 times 2, which is what? 0. And this will boil down to n-4 is 0. Therefore, n is equal to 4. So this is known as nitrogen 4 oxide. Nitrogen 4 oxide. We normally use normal numeral, just like what I've told you. Let me write it here. Nitrogen 4 oxide. Then the second one, you can see we have hydrogen and chlorine. There's actually nothing to do for the oxidation state because it's +1 -1 is 0. Hydrogen is +1, chlorine is -1, which is 0. So this is simply hydrogen chloride. You cannot say chlorine. You now say hydrogen chloride. So the name of this is hydrogen chloride. Hydrogen chloride. The reason is because everything boils down to 0. Then the third one, that bond is HNO3. HNO3, we're interested in nitrogen here. Nitrogen what? So hydrogen is +1 plus nitrogen. Oxygen is always -2. So -2 times 3 will give you -6. So we have +1. So I have 1 plus nitrogen -6, which will give you what? That will be equal to 0. So I'm having 1 minus 6 is -5. So we have 5 -5 plus n is 0. Therefore, n is 5. So we have that n is what? 5. From here now you can see that 1 minus 6 is -5. So n minus 5 is 0. When -5 crosses it becomes +5. So n is 5. So this guy is known as hydrogen, because oxygen is 3 here. Remember here when it's 2, we call it triazo. Hydrogen triazonitrate 5 or triazonitrate 5 acid. So we say this one is nitrogen triazonitrate 5 acid or hydrogen triazonitrate what? 5. I think I've explained when you say hydrogen, you don't say acid. Then the next one we have there is NaNO3. First of all, our interest is also on nitrogen. Sodium nitrate what? Sodium is +1. That's the oxidation state. Nitrogen is unknown. Oxygen state boils down to -2 times 3, which is -6. So everything will give you 0. Therefore, our nitrogen will still boil down to 5 because this is 1 minus 5. So -5 crosses here, we have 5. So this is sodium triazonitrate 5. It's a salt of this acid. It's a salt of nitric acid. Sodium triazonitrate 5. So this is sodium triazonitrate 5. It's a salt anyway. Then the last one here is potassium is 1. Hydroxide is a radical. A radical is a group of atoms that is charged. So all of them +1 -1 0. So we're not looking for anything. This is simply potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide. I hope you did enjoy the class. Please like, share, comment, and follow for more. If you also need any more explanation on this, just indicate to the comment section. I can take it up with you. Thank you.